Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI Nova 9 SE, and let me share with you how to clear credentials on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll until you will find the security. Now let's tap on more settings, and as you can see in the second section we've got encryption and credentials, so let's enter. At the very bottom of this list we've got delete all credentials option, so simply tap on it and tap on delete. If you've got a pattern or a pen, then enter it in order to confirm the whole step. And as you can see, the credential storage has been raised successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your HUAWEI Nova 9 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.